A new era is dawning for the FoodBev SETA. The SETA implemented a bold new future-orientated brand identity. The new identity symbolizes the SETA's ever-evolving role as a key enabler of skills development in the food and beverage manufacturing sector. The new brand is a true reflection of the SETA's strengthened commitment to delivering on its key objectives and to uphold and enact the values of service excellence, integrity, commitment, transparency, and accountability. The new logo is powerful, single-minded, and driven, and shows South Africans that the SETA is there for them. It represents dynamism, optimism, and forward-looking progress. Red represents the strength needed to forge an industry, while blue symbolizes knowledge, power, integrity, and seriousness. Together, they form the powerful symbol of transformation that manufacturing can bring, from transforming basic natural ingredients into products that line the shelves, to transforming the lives of the previously disadvantaged, the differently abled, and the unemployed. Hence our payoff line, Empower, Innovate, Elevate, expressing our dedication to empower our stakeholders and learners with the knowledge and confidence to excel in their growth and development. The bold new step gives the SETA a brand voice that is professional, inclusive, empowering, innovative, and forward-thinking. It represents a major step forward in renewing the SETA's commitment to excellence and innovation, and its dedication to quality and progress. I'm thrilled about the FoodBev Manufacturing SETA's brand new look. I'm certain that it will resonate well with all stakeholders and staff. I'm looking forward to this exciting journey, and I hope you will share it with me. The FoodBev Manufacturing SETA, poised to lead with vision and agility.